Hi, my name is Victor Bart. This is my UNIMOG 404 with a diesel engine and I'm repainting it. The army green will be gone. I already did the front of the UNIMOG last time. So now it will be sanding and then take a roller and make the green sand color. So let's get started. My father is helping to reinforce the bumper because the design wasn't that great, so he is making two pieces like this that fit in here, and then it's much stronger. And on the other side it's already pretty decent, so we don't have to do anything on that side. The winch subframe is now done, much stronger and already painted. The cabin is sanded, decreased and prepared for painting. So let's see what kind of paint we're gonna use. The paint that I'm gonna use is Sigma S2U Semi-Gloss RAL 1001, the sand color. And this is professional high quality paint. It's like 60 euros a can for 1 liter. And I stopped buying 2.5 liter cans because I did way too long with 2.5 liter cans. So I just buy 1 liters, and if they are empty I get new ones. And for the black for the bumper I bought a little bit cheaper paint just from the paint shop itself. This is RAL 9005, just semi-gloss black. And it is the same kind of paint as the Sigma, so it's the same kind of products to work with, so it doesn't conflict. And the bumper is less important than the body of the UNIMOG.
Today we're gonna show you how we're gonna paint the UNIMOG on the front. So as you can see, it's yellow, but it's not a really yellow, it's sand color. Because we have lots of rain here in the Netherlands, and sometimes one of the clouds is coming from the Sahara. And then it brings all the dust over to here, and that will drop on the car, and on the green one you saw it and now you don't see it anymore. So it's more that is covered.
Undercover.
Yeah. So as you can see, we are using brush 03. You also can do it with the brush 16. But then you cannot come in all the corners. It's maybe a little bit slow. If you have all the time in the world, you also can use brush 02. So as you can see, we have done some tape around on the places where you don't want to paint, and it makes nice straight lines. I have a small tip for you. If you are done with painting and you're gonna rebuild the car back, if you do the front lights, look good that you don't put them upside down, that you are lighting into the sky. This is for today, the video. We're now gonna grab a beer, put our legs on the table, and we are still working because the paint is drying. So we're still working, it's not done for us, but we're gonna watch how long it will take for the paint to dry. Have a nice day, see you next time, bye bye!
The cap of the UNIMOG in sand color looks really awesome. I'm really happy with the result, so next time I will do a second layer and then I will do the rest of the parts and put it back together. Thanks for watching.